But we're getting a lot of questions about one-hand operation, okay? And you know, kind of like, what's the difference between one-hand operation and two-hand operation? Well, the answer is exactly one hand. Okay, the principles are exactly the same. You have to back pressure it a little bit with one hand, just like you have to back pressure it a little bit with two hands. Okay, and that's all there is to it. The grip changes because it's one hand. Okay, and we're shooting the video this way so you can see it from your point of view. In your left, and of course it's either hand because it's one-handed. You can do it either hand. So it's here, okay, and it's here, the trigger finger hanging over a little bit, and then these like this maybe. Okay, so you wind up with a little, kind of like a little tube, like an extension of the insert. And then it's just a matter of putting your voiced air presentation into the call and moving your hand around just a little tiny bit until you get the train sound, or until you break it over into what you want. Okay? Okay, that's left-handed. Okay, same thing. Put it in the same place. Okay, let it come in like this, so that you're catching it in this thumb groove right here. Okay, put your thumb in that groove. Then when you pull this trigger finger down, pull it down to where you got a little meat hanging off the end of the insert. So get this one, then kind of adjust with these a little bit. Yeah, so what's the difference in one hand and two hands? One hand. But it's still the same principle. You got to choke this a little bit with this to make it work right. The rest of it's built in there. Okay? That's about it for one hand operation. These are nice.